Hi there, this is Garrett Kulsik from Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around video for you on our Toyota Tacoma. I've walked around the vehicle and there aren't any imperfections in the body. Paint's in great shape. Being a 13 with 70,000 miles on it, it sure doesn't look it. There's a nice tonneau cover on it. There are minor imperfections here in the tailgate. It looks like a little bit of a scuff. The bumper is free of dings and dents. It's got tinted windows with the rain shields. The windshield is free of any chips or cracks. Very clean up front. I'll try my best here to get some good shots of the undercarriage. There is a little bit of surface corrosion, but very, very minimal in consideration of the area. I'll even take some still photos for you and email them over separately so you can see that a little clearer. Tires are in good shape, wheels are in good shape, very clean, no curb rash or anything of that nature. There's an aftermarket step here on the rear corner, which drops down all your trailering hookups. Try to get a shot underneath here. It's got some clear bra protective film in the lower rockers, which is a nice addition. You can tell the previous owner took good care of this rig. Go ahead and open her up here for you. This vehicle is free of any odors. It was a non-smoker. There's no pet odor in it of any kind. The interior is in very good shape. The seats are free of any rips or tears. I can't see any signs of wear on either seat. The backup camera is incorporated into the rear view mirror. When you go into reverse, a small screen pops up. Everything's power. Back seats are very clean. Look as if they've never been sat in. Has a set of all-weather liners in here, front and back. There's a rear sliding window. We'll go ahead and pop the hood for you. Bear with me here. This is your V6 Batteries are in good condition. There's no corrosion or anything on the terminals. Everything is factory. Nothing's been modified. And that concludes our walk around video on our Toyota Tacoma. I appreciate your interest.